Green, and along with virtually every Court of Appeals justice in the state, I'm running for place 3. Justice Krager, I'd invite you to enjoy the party, but we need you on the 9th, so stay where you are. There's actually a lot of great justices in this race, and in fact, I respect them so much and want them to stay right where they are because they're doing a great job. I have a little bit different experience that I'm bringing to the table. I'm a former legislator. I served for Hayes, Caldwell, and Gonzales counties in the state legislature. I was consistently in the top 5 conservatives. Since that time, I've been with David Barton and Wall Builders, speaking and teaching on the Constitution around the country, written several books on that, and practicing law for 12 years here in the state of Texas. And I'd love to serve you on the court and bring a solid conservative philosophy. But when I say that, I'm not just saying I want to be a conservative. I've got a clear track record. You can actually go look at my voting record in the legislature and know where I stand on the issues. You don't have to worry about me being a David Souter that's going to turn out to be a liberal when they get on the court. You can look at the record and you know for sure. You know from the things I've said speaking around the country. You know from the way that I voted in the legislature. I'm also founder of Patriot Academy. It's a youth leadership program we do at the state capitol. So a little commercial for Patriot Academy. If you got young people 16 to 25 years old, let them come to Austin and spend a week with us and learn a biblical worldview of government, learn the process and how to be effective. I think it's great to see a new generation being raised up that really understands the times and knows what to do. I would love to serve you on the court. I'd love to be somebody that can sit around that table with my fellow justices and remind them that it's those folks under the big pink dome that we send to make the law. It's our job only to apply it. I respect the proper role of the courts and the proper role of the legislature. For too often we've said conservatives and gotten involved in the legislative side of things and the executive branch, but we really need to focus on getting good conservatives on the court. I think we've got a great court in Texas. I want to keep it that way. So I sure would appreciate your support. I've also got a petition running around the room here. It's got a green pen with it, so you'll remember my name. Rick Green. If you miss it, it's on the bus out there as well. So, and by the way, if you didn't get a card with the information, my son Reagan is back there holding them up so you can grab one from him. And by the way, I have a 4th son born on President Reagan's birthday, but I'd already named him Reagan, so messed that up. And I even had a dog named Dutch, so if that doesn't tell you about my convictions, nothing will. God bless you guys. I'd appreciate your vote March 2nd.